What do you look for in a scan tool? Affordability, ease of use, the option to add OEM level coverage. Stick around, have I got something to show you. Especially today, most shop owners understand the need to own a variety of scan tools. But if you're on a commission basis, it's often inconvenient to wait around for a specific shop tool to become available. So many of us added a few tools of our own to our toolbox. Now, one might be a simple code reader, something that allows you to dive in quickly when it's an emissions-related complaint. The other may be something a little more robust. And one of the first ones that I ever added to my own toolbox was the AutoEnginuity PC-based scan tool. It was one of the first PC-based scan tools available on the market. And that made it a lot more affordable than some of the big box aftermarket offerings that we had to choose from. Of course, you got the global OBD coverage that you would expect, but you had the option to also get enhanced level coverage for domestic, Asian, and European. The tool made it easy to check the status of the readiness monitors, and it also provided something unique to only a few tools of its time, a deciphered list of Mode 6 test IDs and test results. Today's new Opus IVS Giotto scan tool, powered by AutoEnginuity, still has all of those great features and more. What really makes the newest version of this product is its focus on overall ease of use on smaller platforms, like tablets and cell phones, using both the Android or iOS operating systems. Why? Where do you need the information? Sitting at your workbench, or while you're sitting in the car or working under the hood? Yes, there are a variety of code readers and global OBD2 tools that have a phone app that allows you to use your phone as the display. But the Giotto doesn't fit into this group. The Giotto is a fully functional scan tool in the palm of your hand. The connection to the VCI in the car is wireless, so there's no cables to trip over, and allows you freedom of movement around the vehicle. Easily check all Dtc'S under one tab and perform a full system scan with just a tap on your touchscreen. You can share those results via email, text message, PDF, or even print them to a local printer. View the data you need in a grid format, or use the meter or graphing mode to make changing trends stand out. With the OEM Enhanced mode, carry out bidirectional commands or resets on your phone the same as you would on any big box tool or Giotto's own desktop version. For technicians looking for accurate information at the point of repair, consider adding the Opus IVS Giotto powered by AutoEnginuity scan tool to your toolbox.